Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge cells in WPS Office Word. So merging cells in WPS Office Word allow you to combine multiple cells into one, so it will make tables look cleaner and more organized. So to do it, you can just follow this quick tutorial. First, you can just open the WPS Office Word. And here you need to create the table by clicking on insert and here choose table and choose how many columns and rows that you want to create in the table. And now to merge, you can just select the cells that you want, click and drag to select the cell you want to merge. So for example, I'm going to merge like this four columns and rows. Now you need to make sure that at least 2 or more cells highlighted. You can just right click on the selected area and now tap on the merge cells. And now the selected cells will be combined into one. And so if you want to adjust the cell content, so after merging you can adjust text alignment. You can also resize the merged cell if needed. You can right click on it in here and adjust the alignment and the size if you want to. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.